Hey everyone, today we're going to be touring the Ibis Hotel at Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris, France. So we're staying here tonight, and if you look right there, there's the Ibis style hotel, and I gotta watch out because there's a car coming by. So let's do a hotel tour of this place right now. And there's some people out here, so I'm not gonna point the camera at them. All right, there it is right there. Welcome to Ibis. So this is one of the best European hotels in the history, people. So yep. All right, if you come in here, you are greeted with this area, and this is the this looks like a front desk, but it's not. But here to your right is the meeting room, so we're gonna check that out. I don't think it's open, but we can check out. Here's the key. It's locked. Yep, it's 11 a.m. It's 11 p.m. So everything is closed right now, and there's the Le Square meeting and event. And let's take a ride on the parking elevator to start off. And this does speak French, so we're here on 0. So I think we're gonna check out what's down there at the lower level. So here's your cab view. -2. And door close button works. And these are Kone installed in 2010. I can't translate that right because it speaks in French. But I think this is the parking garage. Yep, this down here is. We're gonna. The door's trying to close. We're gonna go up to 0. Let's do a cab view. Your nice Kone elevator. Here are your buttons, and there's the indicator. Can't translate that right, but I think it's kind of saying 40. So let's check something else out now. Fortunately, we're not gonna ride these elevators because my key card is not compatible with the floors there. But here, this is the service room, and here's your sitting area. And out there is the pool, which is, I think it's closed right now. I need to talk about the music to avoid getting a copyright. And no, out there's some kind of backyard. But this right here is your sitting area. And here's your luggage room, which I don't know if I have access to it, but you can try. No, I don't want access there. All right. So there's the I don't want to get people on picture people. So there's the Eiffel Tower, which is looking great. Here's the back. I can't get the baggage crew on picture, but here you are greeted inside in this beautiful lobby. And over there is the front desk. And I like to ride those Otis Gen 2 elevators, but unfortunately I can't because my car just is not compatible with any other elevators than the ones over there that we're gonna check out later. And here's the Le Millesime restaurant. I don't know how to pronounce that. And here's La Terrasse, which I can't pronounce. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but here's the iWall arcade. I don't know where you play games. So here's Starbucks, and which is closed at the moment. All right, so we're gonna check out the amenities now by riding the elevators over there. So I have to point the camera away because there's lots of people right here, and I think these are the restrooms. And here's your vending machine. We're gonna start off by going down to check out the amenities. And we got this car, and here it is. Just a simple cab view. We're gonna go down to -1. These are Kone installed in 2009. Floor minus 1. All right. I think down here are the amenities. I don't think so. I think this is the basement. So we're gonna have to go back up. All right. Look at these doors, by the way. So we're gonna go up to 10. I need to insert my key card. All right. Got it now. Whoa. And after this, we're gonna go down to 10th floor. We're gonna go down to 2 and we're gonna do the room tour. I like that beautiful hallway, so let's do a cab view. You're really nice, Cody elevator. There's Big Brother, and look in the mirror. Hey, here are your fixtures, and there's the indicator. Here at the 2nd floor, and now the moment you've been waiting for. All right, so there it goes now. I'm in room 220, which is right here. So, and right here after this one, or no, I am wrong. Sorry about that, guys. But it's this way. Sorry, it's straight right there, but the other room starts by 200. But here we are. There's my room 220. We're gonna pause it here and do the room tour. Okay, everyone, this is going to be the room tour here at the Ibis Hotel, Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris, France. We're here in room 220, and we're just on the 2nd floor, and here's your key card. You just tap it, and you get the green light. So, and when you come in here, you are greeted with just one king-sized room, and you just have one bed here, which is nice. Right there's your telephone and the remote, and here, I think this is the universal power outlet, and here's your Philips flat screen TV, and up here is the air conditioning, and here's the evacuation plan right here, and look at this mirror. Hey, and here you have your workstation, and here's your little closet, and let's go check out the bathroom now. This bathroom is European style. Like I do like European style. So, and look in the mirror. Hey, you have your sink here. And here's the commode, which is Gerber, right? So for all the toilet fans, this is for you. Here it comes. It's the wash down toilet. All right. Such an amazing flush, and there's your little window, and I think this could be like a hair dryer. God, that scared me. And here's your small shower, and I don't think I'm gonna turn on the water because I don't want to get myself wet. But here's the shower, and it comes with these doors. And so, all right. Anyways, what do you guys think of this room? You like it? I really like this room a lot. So, anyways, hope you all enjoyed the room tour here at the Ibis Hotel, Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris, France, room 220. And that's gonna be it. Thank y'all for watching, and that's it.